So I've come here to get a camera from the delivery boy. So here we go. So without any further ado, let's start unboxing. So I ordered it from Flipkart because Amazon was not delivering to our address location. So this is the bag, and it is many pouch where we can keep many things. It's not that good quality, but it does the work. And this is the camera itself. Let's open it. This is the user manual. It's a pretty hefty one. You can see the pages there, and these are some warranty and all. This is the strap which you put in your neck to hold the camera, and this is the lens. It is the kit lens which you get when you order the camera. This is the cable used for charging the battery, and this is the battery itself. It's a LPE12 battery of Canon. It also comes with the camera, the whole kit, and this is a SD card. This is also comes with the camera. It's of 16 GB. This is the holder itself for the charging. We have to put that battery in the holder. And this is the camera itself. So this is the Canon EOS M50, and it's a good model for beginners like me. It's a lightweight one, and there are some HDMI port there. This is the place where you can put the lens, and it has a flip out screen, and you can just turn that back and forth. And this is the close view. So let's connect the lens. So let's wrap things up, and I think that's all I got for you today. And this is my new gear, so another video will be of good quality, and I've ordered some other things also. Tune in till next video, I think on another Monday, and if everything goes right, then I'll upload this video on Monday. So enjoy the music, and don't forget to keep writing.